Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. Thank you for joining me. I am going to be doing a budget plan with me in my recollections planner today, and this kit is from TwoNineStickerCo and it is on matte paper. It's called Snowed In, and it's definitely sticking on the wintry, cozy cabin kind of feel, which I love, especially living in Colorado. It's definitely like this kind of atmosphere, although I will say it's not very snowy here this winter, which I'm enjoying. I'm just a little worried about. But this has a ton of stickers in it, and it was pretty affordable. And I did get the January monthly as well. I will link that up here. I got the matching monthly kit. So that's in my Erin Condren, and this will be in this planner. So they're in different planners, but just as sharing, you know, extra information. These are the full boxes, but there are also little like third boxes, quarter boxes up at the top, and it says "Baby, it's cold outside" with the trees, the cabin, the mugs of cocoa or whatever, the fire, the snow, and then the like buffalo check kind of pattern. It's really, really dark, so I hope you can see that reddish color. And then this is a functional page, and I will just kind of scan through because that's a lot. There's a lot of stuff on that page. And then this is like half boxes. This is another full box, which I love, and it says "Cuddle Weather" and "Baby, it's cold outside" like on the pillows, and it's that little window scene. There's like a weekly habit tracker, some quarter boxes, appointment labels to do, and then these are header size, but they're in a pattern, and then sidebar headers. More half boxes, meeting, bills you, appointment, today headers, budget, meals, small stuff to clean and fitness, some little things, including meals and stuff down there. Bottom washi, which is a little bit thinner than a lot of them. What is this? I think these are like header size. We have the date numbers, we have all these little boxes, date covers, and then I think that's more washi down there. And I'm going to leave this one out to put down first. But there is another page. I have the full check boxes as well as more label boxes up there. This is called checklist boxes. And I must have bought either a la carte or this is a kit. No, I think this was a whole kit. I don't know. Maybe like a deluxe kit or something. Obviously, you could just get away with using the checklists, these, but that's okay. So we're going to put the bottom washi down, and I'm probably going to fast forward quite a bit of this because I think I mentioned it in my other video, but I talk in my Erin Condren plan with me as well as my So Much Crafting inserts plan with me, and this is just sort of an extra plan with me because I didn't really plan to keep on doing these with my So Much Crafting plan with me's. I hope that made sense. I was going to replace this plan with me with my So Much Crafting inserts, but I had some people say to keep it, so I kept it. And now I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. I wonder if I want these at the bottom or like bottom middle. I don't think I've ever done that before. Maybe I'll do like bottom and middle and then checklists across the top. That'd be kind of fun. So let me get the checklists out. And I feel like there was a restriction from the meals. So there's 2 red, 2 blue, 2 tan, and 1 yellow. So we're going to put the yellowy color on Thursday. Just trying to work with the kit as it is, and I think I can color block, so I'll give it a go. I think I'm going to do it in this kind of reverse color pattern because I don't want it to look too fall. And I think if I put the red next to the yellowy color, I think it would look more fall instead of winter. So we'll try this. Okay, I think that's everything. I don't really know what's going on this week. I don't have a lot of plans right now, so I have a lot of white space, but I'm totally fine with that. And this is the second half of the week. I love these two boxes. And the first half of the week, so cute. I still have room down here too. I'm not sure what I'm going to put right there. But I do have some washi strips and some other boxes and things. So I'll fill it out once I figure out what I need. But I don't have a lot going on at the moment. So this is people coming to my apartment to fix something with the internet. This is payday. As you can see, I have my Planner Society bill due. One of these days, I just put it on Friday. I'll pay a lot of bills this day too, but I'll probably put that in the checklist. And then my friend's birthday is on Sunday, and this is Groundhog Day, but I don't think I have a sticker to mark that, so I'm not real worried about it. I can always put a box, and write it in. But otherwise, that's it for me and 2NineStickerCo. I enjoyed it. There is a ton left, but like I said, I still have a lot to mark once I figure out what's going on. But here are all of the stickers that I have left. Tons of this kind of stuff. I love that. So I will update you guys on Instagram. I will post pictures there. So if you want to see this filled out, definitely stay tuned for that. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!